NRAAM 24 with Adam from SDS, and going to be taking a look at the bull pump here. Adam's going to tell us all about it. Let's go.
Tokarev BullPump, so it's a bullpup design. We went ahead and made it pump action to make it 50 state legal. Still magazine fed, taking all 1919 style magazines. It is a spring assisted pump, so if you get it back, it will repump it basically for you. Picatinny rail mount pump, so you can put a vert grip or any other grip you want. Just take the 2 screws out and just attach any other Picatinny style mounted grip you want to put on it. So you can really find it and make it comfort for you. Still reliable Tokarev shotgun, just now with pump action.
Now, chamber, what's the chamber in it?
This is a 12 gauge with it'll take 2 3/4 up to 3-inch shells. It does have a lock back, so when your magazine goes empty, it'll lock back and you can put in your new one and just recock it.
Awesome. What about mini shells? I know those are popular.
No mini shells yet. Still can't get them to run out of the 1919 style magazines.
Okay, that's right. That's true. It's a box mag. So.
Yeah, so it's the box mag with 1919 style mags.
Yep. Somebody needs to come up with a box mag that'll take those.
Maybe I'll look into that.
Maybe Adam needs to come up with that. Maybe SDS needs to do it. Yeah. Awesome. Well, that is the bull pump.
These will be shipping out to distributors by the end of summer.
Oh yeah, heck yeah. Summer fun, dude. Summer fun. So, that's going to do it. Bye.
Big shout out to our friends at Gideon Optics for helping us with the trip to NRAAM. Gideon Optics offers a variety of LPBO, dot, and prism optics. My favorites are the Rock dot sighting green, which I have on my Kiger 9C Pro, and the Advocate prism sight that is mounted on my very fun to shoot Strybog 22. Gideon gives you great features like your choice of red or green emitters, shake awake technology, Picatinny rail adapters included, and all optics come with an outstanding lifetime warranty.